Wamuhle kanje nawe.
Angithi nje bengilida umkhwenyana. He's my king. Angiziboni like ngiqhubeka ongifunctiona kahle without yena.
I really feel bad for my mom. Like all those bad words about her from my dad is like really sad.
Awuthathi indaba zaka mayeni uzise ka Mangwabe. Awuthathi indaba zaka Mangwabe uzisa macele.
So ngicabanga ukuthi ngifike la senganele.
So guys, Uthando Nes'thembu is entertaining, it's fascinating. It's literally one of the best reality TV shows la eMzansi. Mseleku's multifaceted life has managed to captivate us and kept us glued to our TV screens for 8 good seasons. But at this point, I feel like this reality show has done much damage. Musa's family have disintegrated. Reality TV shows makes or breaks families apart. The public nature of the show can expose family secrets and vulnerabilities, potentially causing irreparable damage to relationships. In this case, diarizations ruined the Mseleku family, and also yena Mseleku contributed to the disintegration of his family. He's an instigator, he's a gossip monger. He carries what is pigs with one particular wife during pillow talks to the other, sharing their private conversations, which is totally wrong. Salibonani, hello beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel where I give you updates and reviews of reality TV shows. This is our update and review of Uthando Nes'thembu. So please watch until the end of this video because I've got a lot to unpack. Let's dive into it. So on episode 21, we saw Mangwabe and their 2 daughters at a spa. The reason she took them out is because she wanted to speak to Mawande about the situation between Mthombeni and Yena. Mangwabe asked their daughter Mawande to clarify on what she wrote on the school project she did. Mawande said she wrote about her dad taking wife number 5 and how that will make Yena Mangwabe a mom leave, and she'd have to choose if she live with her or stay. Mangwabe went on to explain to Mawande that Yena and Mthombeni aren't going to be together anymore, but that shouldn't stop her from seeing mom or dad, depending on who she chooses to live with. In her diarization, Mawande said she really feel bad for her mom. All those bad words about her from her dad, it's really sad. She went ahead to say the situation between her dad and her mom hates her because she wants to live with them both so they can spend time together. Okay, so I've been in the social streets and some people have been saying Mangwabe is selfish. She was in this relationship for money. She never loved mseleku. She knew that she was marrying a polygamist. So why does she want to leave because of number 5? She's using this as a scapegoat. So guys, as you have seen on the clip at the beginning of this video, Mangwabe used to love Mthombeni, but Mthombeni's ex turned her into the cold Mangwabe she is now. I personally think Mangwabe endured a lot in a marriage, but now she have reached a point where she's like, this is enough. Mthombeni have been painting a black to the whole world, and it's heartbreaking that Mawande knows that on the show her dad always speaks unflattering things about her mom. It is never okay for a father to say demeaning things about his wife, as it can negatively impact the children's well-being and create a hostile family environment. Mthombeni should be mindful of the impact his words and actions have on his children. Mawande seemed really bothered by the bad words about a mom from him. Definitely, Mawande and their other siblings have also heard how their mothers perform in bed from Mthombeni. They are exposed to absurd things. There are some things that children shouldn't be privy to know about. Also, Mthombeni is inconsiderate. Before taking wife number 5, he should have taken careful consideration how marrying wife number 5 was going to affect the dynamics of his family and his kids. Mangwabe have always been vocal that if he take wife number 5, she's going to leave because he promised her that after her, he wasn't going to marry another wife, and Mthombeni broke the promise without thinking twice. Now Mangwabe is standing on business. I respect Mangwabe for her decision. Staying for kids isn't healthy when she ain't happy anymore within the marriage, though this can significantly impact Mawande, affecting her academic performance and mental health. But it is what it is. I just hope that Mangwabe will take her for counseling, as she said. Mangwabe taking this bold step, it's here putting herself first. Mthombeni chose number 5, and Mangwabe is choosing herself fair and square. Mseleku wants to fulfill his goal of having 20 kids. He only cares about himself and no one else. I personally think Mangwabe ain't selfish for choosing herself. It's better for her to be a single parent than to stay in a toxic relationship with Mthombeni, who does not care for anyone but only cares about himself. I remember in one of the previous seasons, Mangwabe said she gave Mthombeni a truckload of children, just that some are alive and some have passed. She had miscarriages, and Mthombeni never consoled her, but he kept on asking her for more children. Mthombeni broke Mangwabe and took her for granted. He never gave her a shoulder to lean on or felt her pain on the loss of their babies. Mangwabe wasn't this cold. She used to respect and love Mthombeni. Even Yana Mthombeni once revealed that Mangwabe, she's quiet, but she can hold a grudge for a long time. She doesn't let go or forget easily. So to us, it's enough proof that he turned Mangwabe into the cold person she is now. So lastly, guys, I don't know. I just feel like Mthombeni's family was good before camera, lights, action, and social media. I personally think camera and social media destroyed everything they were building. It wasn't perfect, but it was promising. In season 1, the wives were kinda united, and now it's a different story. I blame diarizations and social media influence. Also, Yena Mseleku contributed to the disintegration of his family. So, guys, that was all that I had in this particular video. Thank you so much for tuning in. Don't forget to give a thumbs up, subscribe, and share. If you have got your own opinion, please don't hesitate. Kindly go ahead and drop a comment in the comment section box down below. Thank you so much once again for tuning in. It's bye for now.